Welcome to Sttellar Dawang Automation Private Limited. Introducing the CrimpView-180 AI crimp cross-section analysis system designed for accurate and intelligent crimp quality inspection. Supporting wire cross-sections up to 180 mm, this advanced system delivers precise and reliable crimp cross-section analysis for consistent quality control. Powered by advanced AI technology, it helps manufacturers inspect every crimp with greater accuracy while reducing inspection time and improving production efficiency. Its compact benchtop design makes it an ideal solution for modern manufacturing and quality assurance. Crimp 06 is widely used in automotive, electronics and electrical, railways, aerospace, medical, and solar energy industries. For more information, contact Sttellar Dawang today.